Shirley, principal of Bayside Middle School, and this is Shauna White, our Indigenous support teacher. We are really excited to have Curtis help us with this amazing project to create a canoe for Bayside Middle School, and the whole point of this is that at Bayside we all pull together. That's our motto, and we've been carving with Curtis for a few years now, and this is a really integral program to create an even stronger community than Shauna White has helped to create already. We spend a lot of time at Bayside bringing all our cultures together and celebrating where we live and who we are.
I feel very honored and grateful to be here today and to see this happen. I think that being outside and making the learning really authentic for kids to see things right from the beginning to the end is so important to fully understanding everything around us and knowing who we are in our communities.
This tree is going to help the Bayside students work together. The whole meaning of this canoe is we're asking our Creator today to bless this tree for the Bayside students. They're going to use it, they're going to beautify it, and they're going to look after it. As I talk to you guys about how sacred this tree is, it's very sacred to all of our people throughout the years. We don't just knock a tree down just for the sake of knocking it down.
Diwyr sansa, haska siam na sair, haska athan ananu kweka skonengel, au sanu khal nakwa, tikuni kunengel, sa haska siam athan chak skonengel, haska siam na sair, haska thithis siam, haska.
I will pray. Thank you, honored brothers. Thank you for your sacred help. I am not going to hurt you. Please help us. Thank you, honored one, for your great help. Thank you, older brother. Thank you, Creator.